So let's talk about GRAPE coin. So the Grapes is basically a project backed by Animoca Brands, and as many people know, Animoca Brands is the leading NFT ecosystem and basically one of the biggest brands in this NFT space that develops and pushes out many NFT gaming projects. So I think this is one of the 100x opportunities, aka Grape coin. So Grapes is basically a family-friendly gaming project which includes mobile gaming. They already have many mobile games on the App Store and Google Play Store. Soon they will be releasing their Fortnite map, I think, and they have already launched their Roblox game. And why I am bullish on this project is they have already released their roadmap, and as you can see, they have partnerships with Cool Cats, Memeland. They have mobile games with hundreds of thousands of active users daily, and it seems they are preparing to launch many incentives for holders to actually hold their Grape coin, and they have already confirmed that you will be able to stake your Grape coin, not only the NFTs, because they have their NFT collection as well with 3,333 NFTs, which basically earn you Grape coin as well by staking. And the fact that they are backed by Animoca Brands and the CEO of Animoca is actively tweeting and responding to the Grape project is quite bullish. And the Grape coin basically raised $100 million, although they wanted to raise only 3 million or 5 million, but they raised 100 million, so they had to pay back most of the money they raised. But I think that's really bullish that they could raise actually $100 million. One of the biggest signs that this project will succeed in the next bull run is they have an actual games that you can play right now, and you don't even have to be in the crypto space or NFT space to be using and playing these games. This is one of the projects that basically combines the Web 2 and Web 3 people together, because there are already hundreds of thousands of people playing these games. And this is one of the biggest aspects I'm thinking about when checking these new gaming projects, is that they actually have a game that is playable and not just some fake trailers or sneak peeks of games that will come out in 2 to 4 years. I think projects that have released their games and implemented some tokens and NFTs will win in this bull run. This is why I'm bullish on this Grape project. They have many running games. They have Animoca Brands behind them. They have upcoming partnerships with legit and established NFT projects. And yeah, this project is quite under the radar for many NFT influencers. And I think this could reach a 80x or 100x in the bull run euphoria, because this bull run will be all about Web3 gaming and NFT gaming. And you can see in this chart, the gaming is much bigger than the music industry and Hollywood combined. That's why in 2024 and 2025 I will be focusing 99% of my time on gaming projects, because that's where the most of the money will go in the gaming industry, in the Web3 gaming, in the NFT gaming. And yeah, my advice is check the new gaming projects. I will make more videos about gaming projects specifically. And yeah, thanks for watching. More crypto and NFT reviews coming.